Hello foodies! Welcome back to Swedanika the Kitchen. Today we are back with another interesting recipe. Rayalaseema special Uggani Bajji. Uggani or puffed rice upma is prepared using puffed rice. It is served as both breakfast and evening snack in Rayalaseema region. Uggani is often served with mirchi bajji. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new video notifications. Let's see the ingredients for this recipe. Puffed rice, cooking oil, chopped onion, bell peppers, chopped tomato, green chilies, cumin seeds, roasted Bengal gram, chickpea flour, baking soda, tamarind, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, large green chilies, carom seeds. Let's get into the procedure. In a large bowl, take about 3 cups puffed rice. Add water in the puffed rice and immediately squeeze water and transfer them into a wide plate. If you are using thicker variety, soak them for 5 minutes and then squeeze water. Do you know puffed rice is also called as marmaralu or borgulu in Telugu, mandalu in Kannada, pori in Tamil. Puffed rice should be soft but not soggy. In a deep wide pan, add 3 tablespoons oil. When oil is hot, add mustard seeds, Bengal gram, black gram and peanuts. Saute until peanuts are roasted. Now peanuts are roasted perfectly. Add slit green chilies, 2 sprigs curry leaves and a pinch of asafoetida. Mix everything. Now add finely chopped onion, about half cup, 1/4 cup finely chopped capsicum or bell peppers, this is optional. Saute until onion turns soft. Now add salt as per your taste. I am adding 1 teaspoon here. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute until onion turns transparent and well cooked. Now onions are well cooked. Add half cup chopped tomato. Saute until tomatoes turn soft. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now open the lid. Everything is cooked perfectly. Let's add squeezed puffed rice in the pan and mix well. Transfer everything into a plate immediately. Otherwise, there may be a chances of burning in the bottom. Now add 2 tablespoons roasted Bengal gram powder and mix well. Squeeze lemon and mix well. Uggani or puffed rice upma is ready. Now let's prepare mirchi bajji. Take large green chilies which are ideal for mirchi bajji. Slit them on side and remove seeds. Remove seeds from all the chilies as shown. Now it's time to stuff green chilies. For stuffing, I have mixed 2 tablespoons tamarind squeeze, half teaspoon carom seed powder and 2 teaspoons chickpea flour. I mixed everything and started stuffing them in the slit green chilies. Stuff all chilies and keep them aside. Now it's time to prepare batter. In a large bowl, add chickpea flour. Add salt, turmeric powder, chili powder and carom seeds powder. You can add carom seeds directly, but I prefer powder. Mix all the dry ingredients. Now add a pinch of baking soda. This is completely optional. If you want, you can skip this. Slowly add water and mix to prepare batter. Don't add too much of water. Batter should be in flowing consistency but not loose. Now batter is ready. In a pan, add enough oil for deep fry. Now the oil is hot enough. Slowly dip stuffed green chili in the batter and add in the oil. Fry them on medium heat. If you fry on high heat, the outer layer turns dark, but inside it remains undercooked. Once the bhaji turns golden, remove from the oil. Repeat the process with all the chilies. Now bhaji is also ready. You can prepare cut mirchi by slicing bhaji into small pieces and fry them again. Cut mirchi is also ready to serve. Now serve uggani along with mirchi bhaji. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Mention your recipe requests in the comment section. Please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.